Every software will have some bug. Yes or no? Do you know any software which is not having a single bug? Do you know any software which is not having single bug? No. Every software means it's a collection of programs. So definitely one or other customer will get a problem. For example, I am using HANA database, you are using Oracle database, someone using some other database, someone using some third party tool to connect, someone using some different tool to connect. So in integration of all these things you will get some problems. At anyhow one of the customer will definitely get a problem. Every software will have definitely so many problems with that. So whatever the software companies deliver a software with the best of their knowledge only they deliver. But when it comes to the reality, sometimes few customers will get a problem, sometimes few customers won't get a problem. So every software will have definitely a bug. Number of bugs, not a bug. Definitely bugs. So why the companies will give support to the customers? So if the customers are getting any issues with the software, the company has to provide the solutions to them. And this is one scenario. And another scenario is every software by the time it has to be keep on enhancing, keep on updating the software. You are having WhatsApp with you, right? WhatsApp is updating their software, or only the WhatsApp which you are using from the past 3 years, the same software? For each and every month or 2 months, you will definitely get a WhatsApp update. For every month or 1.5 months, you will get definitely new features in WhatsApp. Why WhatsApp is having monopoly in the social networking platform, right? Social messaging site. But even though why they are updating their software? If they don't update their software, some other software will come, they'll override their market. That is the reason to keep that top position. WhatsApp is keep on updating their software, keep on facilitating their users by adding the new functionalities, new features. Every company will do the same. For example, if you release a software, that's it. If you don't enhance that software, don't do anything to the software, you will be vanished from the market. Why? There will be so many competitors for you in the market. That is the reason every software has to be enhanced time to time. Not only enhancement, whatever the software you produced already, that software is also having some bugs. You have to correct that software, as well as the same time you have to enhance that software. Both the things these software companies will do. SAP is not exceptional. Small software is having bugs. When small softwares are having bugs, then the SAP is a huge software which is having 250 GB of software. So how many bugs you will get in that? Sure, definitely you will have so many bugs. And at the same time, you have to update your software to retain in the market that top position. Right or wrong? So here we are having some keywords: note, patch, and add-on. What is note exactly? Note means, for example, if an end user gets a problem, for example, Kiran is using some T code, he hit that T code, he got some runtime error, above dump error. What Kiran will do? Kiran will go to SAP support portal and he will complain about that problem. I am hitting that some T code. Again and again I am getting the same error code. That screen is not coming. So SAP people will look into that problem and they release a correction for that single erroneous object. They release a correction for that single erroneous object in the form of note. That means Kiran will get one note from SAP. That note will have correction for that program. That if that program is having some correction, needed some corrections, they will release that corrections in the form of note. If Kiran applied that note, then that problem will be solved. How he applied that note means there is a T code called S note. T code is S note to apply the note. Note is nothing but it is a correction for single erroneous object. Correction for single erroneous object. Means if you are having one single erroneous program, report, screen or anything, if you apply that note, that problem will be rectified, that problem will be solved. That is we call as note. See, what is note? If an end user gets a problem, he reports to SAP. SAP people will look into that problem and release a note for that single erroneous object. If you apply that note, that problem will be solved. Your issue is resolved. Finish. What is patch? And what is the T code for applying the note? S note. What is patch?
Yes,
Patch is nothing but collection like this. The same like Kiran, someone is getting some problem, Shabana is getting some problem, some other customer is getting some problem. Every customer is complaining for different problems. So SAP is releasing a single note for each and every customer. After some time, what SAP will do? SAP will collect all these notes. Today I got a problem. Today Kiran got that problem. Tomorrow you may get that problem, right? So what SAP will do? They will collect all these notes, plus they'll add some new enhancements to their software and release in the form of patch. So SAP will release note, SAP will release patch. If you apply the note, what happened? Only one erroneous object will be resolved. If you apply the note, multiple erroneous objects will be corrected. Along with that, some new enhancements will be added to your software. So to keep on updating your softwares, companies are releasing some patches. So by this patch, what they release? That old notes plus some new enhancements. So if you apply that patch, what happens? Multiple problems will be resolved, plus some new functionalities, additional functionalities will be added to your software. This is the way not only SAP, all the software companies will release updates. Some people will call the patch, some people will call as update, software upgrade, whatever they call. What is note? If an end user gets a problem, he report to SAP. SAP people will look into that problem and release a correction for that single erroneous object in the form of note. By using S note T code, we apply note. If you apply that note, that single erroneous object problem will be resolved. So like the different users are getting problems. So after some time, SAP will combine all these notes, plus they'll add some new enhancement and release in the form of patch. How you apply the patch? By using spam T code. Note S note T code, patch spam T code. What is note?
Single erroneous.
correction of single erroneous.
Correction for single
erroneous object.
Erroneous object. Patch is what? Collection of notes,
notes
plus
and enhancements.
new enhancements. This is called as a note. Means if I apply the note, one problem will be solved. If I apply patch, multiple problems will be solved and some new functionalities will be added. That's it. How you apply the note? By using S note. How you apply patch? By using spam. What is add-on? Add-on means add-ons are the softwares which doesn't come with SAP. It is SAP people will look into the market for the softwares which are in demand. Some softwares are very much demanded. For example, one software is there, BO, business objects. All the companies are using this BO reporting tool. It is a reporting tool. Every company is using that. So if you go to that company and if you want to sell your SAP product there, definitely that company will ask you, will my BO work on your SAP? Like that, the famous softwares, everybody will ask you for this famous softwares. Will my software, we are using these tools. Is this tool work on your software? If I install your software, I'm using this tool for reporting. Can I run my tool, same tool on your software? So if you go to 50 companies, 30 to 40 people are asking for the same tool, then SAP will make that tool as an add-on for SAP. That means you can install that software on SAP Core. It can sit on SAP Core, and it can access data dictionary objects and repository objects of SAP. So they are making that software as an add-on for SAP. For example, BO, some third-party company software is that. SAP people will purchase that software and make some customize that software according to SAP's environment, and they release to their customers so that you can install that software on SAP. By using that software, you can access your data dictionary objects and repository objects and business data, everything. You got the point? Add-ons are the softwares which are in demand. SAP people will look into the softwares which are in demand in the market and make that software as an add-on, so that this software can sit on SAP Core and you can access data dictionary objects and repository objects of SAP. That is what add-on. By using Saint T code, we apply the add-on. How you apply note?
Yes, note.
Yes,
How
note.
you apply patch?
Spam.
Spam.
How you apply add-on?
Saint.
Correction.
What is note?
Correction of a single erroneous object.
Correction for singular. What is patch?
Collection of
Collection of a notes and a few new enhancements.
What is add-on?
It is a additional the third party tool.
Third-party tool. So SAP will make that software as an add-on for SAP so that it can sit on SAP Core and can access data dictionary objects and repository objects of SAP. That means you can install on SAP that tool. That is what we called as add-on. Okay. Are you clear with this?
Sir, add-on one second definition.
Yes.
Add-on definition one second.
Add-on definition. Your voice is very low, boss. Had your lunch?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Raju.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Add-on means add-ons are the softwares which doesn't come with SAP. SAP people will look into the market for the softwares which are in demand and make that software as an add-on for SAP, so that you can install on SAP software. It can fit on SAP software. By using that software, you can access SAP's data by using that software. That is what add-on. So SAP people don't develop that add-ons. Add-ons are some different third-party companies tools, and they just customize that software. They take that software and customize that software so that it can fit on SAP and just release to their customers. That's it. By using Saint T code, we apply the add-on. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So can anyone explain me this architecture? So where your SAP data is saving? I told you one definition on the architecture class starting itself. What is that definition? If you take any software, the application functionality and the data generated by using that software both resides differently. But when it comes to SAP, the application functionality, that means SAP repository as well as the business data, both resides centrally in the database. Yes or no?
Sir.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
your entire SAP software, that 250 GB of software, where we are installing in the, where we are keeping that 250 GB of programs, reports, screens, menu options, everything in the database. That is what we call it as SAP repository and data dictionary objects, right? Only that .exes and .dlls are present at your application level. Now, remember, you should have a clarity what you are doing. Note, add-on, patch, what are these softwares? So I am applying the note or add-on or a patch means what? Where I am applying that? Into my SAP repository. So am I doing anything to my business data here? If I apply the note, is my business data impacted? Note is what? Correction for single erroneous error. Means in your software you are having some problem. If you apply that note, that problem is rectified. Means, for example, one code is some wrongly placed. So if you correct that code, that screen will work properly. By correcting one screen, one program, one report or anything, will it impact my business data? No, I am not touching my business data anymore. And I am not doing anything to my DB repository. DB repository means your database software. I am not doing anything to my DB repository. I am not doing anything to my business data. Just I am playing with what? My SAP software. Yes, SAP repository means SAP programs, reports, screens, menu options, tables, everything. I am only making some changes. If I apply the note, it will be impacted to SAP repository. If I apply the patch, it will impact to my SAP's repository only. It is not going to impact your business data or else DB repository. Is it clear with you?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
Sir,
see.
if the correction is
Yeah. Yes, I am doing correction. I am doing correction to what? My software correction. I am doing my software correction. I am not doing anything to my business data. For example, if you update your WhatsApp, only your WhatsApp software will be updated. But will you lose your contacts and charts?
no, sir.
Are your text messages are modifying by updating my software WhatsApp? No, the new features will be added, the new functionalities will be added. If there are some problems, any bugs in that software, that will be resolved. But it won't delete your chats, it won't delete your videos, it won't delete your call history, it won't delete your chat history, right? Call history, chat history, charts, call, images, videos of what, everything is what? That is what your business data when compared to WhatsApp software. Your WhatsApp software is repository. Your chats, videos, audio, everything is your business data there. Here also in SAP, I am doing some corrections in my SAP software, so it won't impact my business data. Remember that. So we are not doing anything to our business data. We are not doing anything to our database repository. If you update your phone, will you lose all your gallery, camera photos, everything? If you update your phone, your Android version, if you are updating your Android version, will you lose everything, contacts, everything? If you reset it, you will lose. But if you just update your software, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Why everybody is having mobile, everybody is updating their softwares, no?
When updating, it is not was there.
Is there anyone who is not having Android phone, at least a smartphone with you? Out of 18 people? No, no, everybody is having. So everybody is doing this, all these things. What I am saying now, everybody is doing everything, right? You are updating your softwares, you are updating your software, you are updating your apps, you are updating your operating system, and you are not losing your gallery, camera, and contacts, messages, right? That are your business data. Software is your SAP repository here in our SAP foundation. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And tell me frankly, for example, if you want to update, when you on your Wi-Fi, it will give you some message. Updates are pending. Can I update? You say yes. What happens next? Immediately your phone will be restarted and it will go into the bootable mode. That green Android symbol is coming and it is uploading, completing 10%, 20%, 30%. How your mental condition at that time? Till you get your screen back, you will be in somewhat tense, right? Then you come to know, do I have charging or not? You will get so many questions in your mind, right? If this update stops in between, what happens? Do you feel somewhat nerves? Yes or no? The same thing we are doing
Yes.
here. We are playing with SAP's repository, means you are playing with the software. You are playing with the software. Wait for a minute. Hello. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, I'll call you back. With half an hour. Yeah, thank you. Yes. So you are playing with your software. You are playing with your software. So be cautious while applying the note, while applying the patch. It is not a simple task, and this task they won't give to freshers and the people like you, fake people. Sure, you should have some experience to handle this software. If something goes wrong, what happens? Your system will stuck, your business will stop. Remember that. You are playing with the software. If your mobile is not having enough charging while you are doing your update of mobile, what happens? It will stuck. Sometime you never know your system will come again or not. You never know that. The same thing is happening while you are updating your support package or nodes. So be cautious. There are few prerequisites to do support package upgrade. What are they? We'll see. Can you please relog in?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So we are having a DB repository, business data, and SAP repository. So now I'm going to discuss about only this SAP repository. What you have in this. So when you install your SAP system, you will get SAP repository and DB repository. Later, if you add your business data, the business data will be added. What we have in this SAP repository, when you install this, so when you install this SAP software, you will get some packages will be installed. Just like when you install your MS Office software, what are the packages you will get with that? MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, MS, what is it, MS Outlook, right? Like that, different packages you will get. I'll check if I get that package with this. Samad, today was program files, Microsoft Office. See if you open that Office or anything, you'll be getting all the packages. Microsoft Visual Studio, Microsoft Works, Microsoft Explorer. So everything, all the packages will be installed. The same way when you install your SAP, some packages will be installed. Few of the important packages are ABAP package, basis. Now I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, Anna.
Okay. Yeah. So few packages will be installed along with your SAP software. One is ABAP package, second one is basis package, BW package, HR package, and logistics. So what all these packages contains? See, what is SAP repository means? The programs, reports, screens, menu options of your software. So this basis package contains all the administrative toolkits related programs, reports, screens, menu options. A basis is what? Collection of administration of this software. ABAP is what? Development software. So basis contains some tools. Basis is what? Collection of some administrative tools like client copy tools, job administration tool, TMS, support packages, okay, backup tools, RFC tools. The combination of all these tools are nothing but your basis. So some basis package will be installed. In that package, you will be having programs, reports, screens, menu options of that basis related T codes, programs, reports. This basis software is for what? For entire software, the administration of that software will be managed by this basis. The next package is ABAP package. ABAP package is a collection of development kits. Development means what? For example, if you want to modify some program, simply can you modify that program? So you have to open that program in some tool. In that tool, you should be having some edit mode. Go to edit mode, then you have to edit that. So some program builders, program editors, screen editors, table makers, screen modifiers, all these related tools, related programs, reports, screens, menu options will be present in your ABAP package. So basis package will be installed, that is for administrative tools related package. ABAP package, that is development related tools package. And then BW, business warehouse package. So it is not entirely your SAP BW, remember. Only the supporting softwares are business warehouse. What is business warehouse? We will discuss later. And HR package. In your functional modules, we will be having SD, MM, finance, accounts, controlling, HR, like, right? All these related, only HR package is separated. Why means this HR package is having 12 submodules in that. That is the reason SAP separated that HR module. And this logistics means your SD, MM, finance, accounts, controlling, MM, Fico, everything comes under this logistics. So the programs, reports, screens, menu options which are related to your functional modules will be stored, installed in this package. HR package, logistics package, basis package, and ABAP package. Like this, they will be installed. If you want to know on which software you are working, simple. After installation, go to your system and go to system. Go to system status. See R3 component version. If you click here, you will get all the packages. What are the packages you will be installed? SAP basis package, SAP ABAP package, SAP HR package, and SAP APPL means that logistics. Means your finance, controlling, HR, SD, MM, finance, accounts, control, all that packages will be logistics and accounting. Everything will be in this package. This is the administrative toolkits package. This is the development toolkit package. This is all your functional modules package. This HR is your separate functional module package. Along with that, you will be getting SAP BW package also. That means these are all softwares defaultly installed in your system if you install any ERP system. So, for example, your basis T code, for example, one T code, tell me one basis T code, any basis T code. Basis related T code, SM50.
Yes,
So, okay, RZ10, SM50, anything. If I hit RZ10 or SM50 T code here, it is giving me some dump. The T code output is not coming. So problem with what? With which package is having problem? If the basis T code is not working, the SAP basis module is having some problem, right? So if you go and search in service marketplace, they will tell you so which support package is running. For example, the support package version is 17 running. Your SAP release version is 620 and support package. What is this 620, 470? I'll tell you. The 17 support package level is running. They'll tell you apply 18th support package. Then this problem will be resolved. Then you have to apply that support package 18. After updating that, you will get SAP basis 18 here. The same way, if you get problem in ABAP tools, ABAP T codes, then you have to apply this. And if you want to get any new updates of basis, you have to update this one. If you want to get any new updates of ABAP, you have to update this packages. Like that, you have to apply this support packages. So we don't apply for SD separate package, no. For all your functional modules, one package will be there, SAP underscore APPL, where SD, finance, accounts, controlling, everything. HR separate package, basis separate package, ABAP. These 4 and SAP BW. These 5 are core softwares for any ERP software of SAP. And if you observe here, there is a support pack naming convention is there. SAP KB 627. This 620 is your release. 17 is support package number. SAP K is a standard prefix. SAP K. B for basis. A for ABAP. H for not HR. For logistics. SAP APPL means H. For SAP HR, KE. KE for SAP HR, KH for SAP APPL. KB for basis. Sorry. KA for ABAP. This is the standard naming convention. You should remember that. Tomorrow we'll discuss about this. So you have to apply these support packages. I am not doing anything to my business data and I am not doing anything to my DB repository. Only I am changing this software. Now see, what is the naming convention? Naming convention of your support package. Just now we have seen the naming convention, right? What is that? SAP KB 620 17. SAP K is a prefix. B for basis. 620 is a 620 version and 17 is a package. SAP KH means application. SAP KA means ABAP. KA. And SAP KE means HR. HR package, ABAP package, APPL package and basis package. So this is the naming convention interview question. What is this? The support package naming convention. SAP K is common, B for basis, and this is the support package level 17 means basis is having 17 support package. The next support package will be 18, 19, 20. And remember, these support packages are not cumulative. That means every support package is having its own individual changes. Every support package is having its own corrections, its own enhancements. If you apply directly 19, it won't take. First of all, you have to apply 18th support pack, then 19th support package. 18th, if you apply 19th, you won't get 18th changes. So it is not cumulative. Your enhancement packages are cumulative. If your ECC 6, EHP 2, you can directly upgrade that to EC 6, EHP 8. So if you update EHP 8, it will get all the old versions enhancements and every changes along with the new versions changes and enhancements. But when it comes to support packages, each and every support package is having its own collection of changes and collection of new enhancements. Remember that. And remember in which sequence you need to apply these support packages. So whatever the sequence you see in that screen, the same sequence you have to apply. So what is my sequence? C. Basis system component. So my basic support package level is what? 17. You cannot apply ABAP 18th patch. To go to ABAP 18th patch, first of all you have to update basis. Why? Why you need to update basis? Basis is a toolkit. Basis is a toolkit. For example, you are having some bike, Splendor bike. If you want to update that Splendor bike to Passion Plus or Passion Pro, what you need first? You need a toolkit. You have to dismantle that bike first, right? So the tools, the mechanic who is here in SAP, the basis guy. So first of all, you should have, if you want to do any operation, what you need first? Tools. Without tools, can you do the operation, surgery? That is the reason, first of all, you have to update basis package first. Then ABAP, then the sequence, whatever the sequence you are having in that screen. So can I apply SAP ABAP 19th patch now? SAP
No.
ABAP 19th patch. To apply SAP basis 19th patch, what are the patches I need to update? How many patches I need to update?
Basis.
Basis 18, basis 19,
ABAP
then
19.
ABAP 18. 3 support packages I have to update. Then only it will allow you to apply ABAP 19th patch. Remember, can I apply ABAP 18th patch now?
No, first basis
First
18. then ABAP.
basis 18th patch, then ABAP patch. So the naming convention, write down this naming convention. Tomorrow we'll see the prerequisites. What are the prerequisites for applying the support packages? Why you need prerequisites means you are playing with the software, boss. If something goes wrong, gone, your business is gone. If your system is not started after you do the support package upgrade, where will you go? So it is a very important task. Nobody will give this task to freshers. Remember that. Support package. So unnecessarily also nobody will apply this support. If SAP is keep on releasing support packages, will you apply the support package regularly? No. Your system is working fine. Your mobile is working fine. You don't have any problems with your mobile. When you update your WhatsApp, whenever you get the new update, we don't do. I don't do personally. Sometimes WhatsApp will forcefully ask me to do the update. Then only it will open that screen, WhatsApp screen, right? Then only I'll update. The same thing with this software also. Any software. If your system is working fine, you are not having any problem, then why should I go each and every day and update the packages? If you get some problem, to resolve that problem, you have to update the support pack mandatorily. Then only I'll update that patch. If you want, you can update. Whenever you get the update, news of update, go to your Google Play Store and update your software. If you don't have any work, okay, fine. If you want to keep on updated, yes, fine, you can do that. But unnecessarily, no one will do the update, okay, support package update. It is, for example, if you want to update this software to some S4 HANA, to update this software to S4 HANA, your minimum patch level should be, for example, 25. Then it is mandatory to do that. Then I do that. If I keep on getting some dumps, SAP is keep on suggesting, please update your support package. I am not going to support you otherwise. Then only I will update. So applying the support package is not an easy task. Your system downtime, you need system downtime required. While updating your Android, will you use your phone? No, it will go into the bootable phase, right? The same thing is here. You have to, if you want to update your support pack, or even a single support pack, you need a downtime. For your business, it is a downtime. Remember that. We'll see tomorrow. Okay, what are the prerequisites for applying the support packages? Before applying the support package, what are the prerequisites we need to follow? Any doubts?